Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change the dies on a die head. What you want to do to start, put it in the open position, this throwaway lever up, so these are out. And then you want to loosen this cam lever, about 3 turns or so, just enough so you can get this washer tab out of this slot. Okay, now it's out of the way. I can move this whole post up, and then I can slot out the old dies. And how that works is this cam plate here, as it rotates, there's little fins on the inside on each one. As that rotates, it pushes on these little notches in each die, and that's what, as that rotates out, pushes that down. That goes like that. So then you want to get a fresh set of dies, and you always want to change them all at the same time. You don't want to be mixing and matching, you want to do it all together. So you get some new ones, and you'd line up, you'd make sure that you have the right number, put the right number on the head, and then you slot the new ones in, and you'd make sure this line lines up flush with the edge. So then you do that for all 4. 4 goes into 4, line lines up, 1 into 1, line up, and the last one, 2 and 2, just like that. And then you're going to want to shift the cam plate so that it catches each one of the dies. If they're lined up right, it should go. There it is. And then you're going to move this into the closed position and put the washer back into the slot on the left side here. And then tighten this cam lever back up. As it gets a bit tighter, you want to, this link mark, you want to line up with the measurement here. Tighten up the cam lever when it's good, and you'd throw this post back into the carriage, thread a piece through the power machine, and then you check the thread. If the thread was too loose, then you'd loosen the cam lever here, and adjust this link mark. You'd go down. So down from the mark for if it was too loose, and you'd go up on the mark if it was too tight. And what that does is as I go down, the teeth come out a bit. So that's for too loose, and for too tight, you'd go up, which would make these go a bit deeper. So you'd adjust very minutely, and then tighten it up, test the thread again, and away you go.